Do you know that person then can never answer a direct question?
Please subscribe, hit the like button, smash the notification bell, and share.
Whatever you ask him or her, they always ask you with a counter question or evade the question with some other thing. That's a way of avoiding, because narcissist has a very low self-esteem and low confidence in certain terms with the victim, because they cannot face reality. But they are very quick to tell you that you cannot face reality, or point out to you that you are a bad person. Instead of that empty carcass, there's nothing. Ask a narcissist a direct question, and he will 10 to 1 avoid it, or answer it with a counter question. And that counter question will put you on your back foot and decide that, now what have you done? You have asked something, but now you are all of a sudden in the spotlight. That's something to think about.
Please share this.